What's good, YouTube? It's your boy HB3 in the building, and today I'm coming to y'all with this video. I'm going to be talking to y'all about the brushes that I use and the brushes I feel you should be using too. Stay tuned. So, I got this question on Instagram about, hey, you need to let us know what type of brushes that you're using, to get your waves on point and things like that. And it got me really thinking about, should I explain what I use and then realize that that's not for them? Or should I explain what I use and let them know what they should be using, if it's the same thing or not? So that's how we got into this video. And I can't believe I'm just now making a video like this too. Man, I've made over hundreds of YouTube videos and tutorials on how to get waves and product reviews and all type of stuff. And I can't believe I'm in the year 2020. I am just now making a video about what type of brushes to use. I don't know. I probably don't make this video and don't even remember because I've made too many videos. But I'm going to try to get through this as fast as possible, okay? Bear with me, please. Let's go. I am a medium texture waver. My hair is not too straight all the way and it's not too coarse all the way. I'm pretty much right there down the line in the middle. So basically for me, when it comes to brushing my hair, I want to find the best quality brush, the highest quality brush that has great bristles, that's going to do the job and everything like that. Now, of course, you do not need to go out and buy the most expensive brush to get waves. Let me be clear before I say anything else. You can go to the dollar store and get a dollar store brush. You can get any type of brush and use it, and it should work for your hair if you're using it the right way for the right texture. But just like with products, you always want to buy the best products to apply to give you the best results. To apply to your hair to give you the best results. And same way with brushes. I'd rather have a high quality brush that's going to last me a very long time over a brush I may have to rebuy and repurchase multiple times, and its durability is not really all that great. So because I'm a medium hair waver, I tend to get soft brushes and medium brushes. I don't really get hard brushes like that. I kind of stay away from the hard brushes unless I'm like really woofing over 4 to 6 months. Yes, I do woof that long sometimes because I can manage that and it's good for the overall parts of my hair. But like I said, I always stick to the soft brushes and the medium brushes because of my texture. They give me the pull that I need, and also they give me the right amount of just doing the job, I guess you can say. Just doing the job what they're supposed to be doing. I guess that's what I'm really trying to say on that. Far as the type of brushes, which of course I'll put his information down in the description below. Of course, it's always going to be Brush King. I only rock with Brush King brushes. Man, when it comes to the Torrento Pros and royalty brushes, this guy's like he's the top of the line. That's why his name is Brush King. He's the king of brushes, so to speak. Those are the ones that I usually run with and stick to. Far as curves or flat brushes, you always have your curved brushes, you have your flat brushes, you have your palms, you have all these different type of brushes. Right now, as we speak, I've been heavy on curved brushes. I don't know why. I mean, it just feels good when I'm using those brushes. It feels better. So I've been really just stuck on using curved brushes or curved palms. They help me when it comes to like pulling my hair, the right pull, and just the way the shape of the brush, it really does what it's supposed to do. Now, I got that out the way about myself. Now let me tell you about y'all. This is what I'm gonna recommend for you wavers out there, new, old, whatever. The problem that I see a lot of wavers have is that it's not that they can't get waves. It's just that they're using the wrong brush to really do waves. I got a guy right now that's in my inbox. I'm gonna leave him anonymous. That he's asking me about his back waves, and he's having trouble getting waves in the back of his head. But when I see his hair, he's a super coarse hair waver, and he's probably not using the right brushes that he's supposed to be using. You know, if you're a super coarse hair waver, you need to go straight to the hard brushes. I'm telling you that right now. You need to be using medium hard brushes. Those are the brushes you need to be using if you are a coarse hair waver or a super coarse waver. If you're a straight hair waver, like your hair is super straight, like you mix or something, you know, I would say stick to the softs, medium softs, and mediums. You know, don't really want to do anything with the hard brushes unless you're going on like a 20 plus week wolf or something. I don't know. I know some people like to use hard brushes as straight hair wavers because in order for them to get waves, they have to have a lot of hair on their head. And when they have a lot of hair on their head, the soft and the medium brushes may not get down to the root of their hair. So they have to pull out that soft and kind of brush their hair. And one of the other reasons why I feel like a straight hair waver really shouldn't use a hard brush like that is because of frizz. You know, your hair start frizzing up real bad if you're steady brushing with the hard brush. Yo, that's pretty much it, man. I just want to send that straight video out, man. This is a right on the fly video. I didn't rehearse or anything for this, man. You can tell just by how I'm just like trying to fumble up and put together words and things like that. But always go with the brush that's for your hair type. That's basically the moral of this. That's the moral of this video. Go with the brush that's best for your hair type. You know, for me, I'm a medium hair waver, so therefore I can use all three levels of a brush. And one of the good things that I do like about Brush King's brushes is that he don't just have like soft, medium, and hard brushes. He also has medium soft. He has, you know, a medium hard. You know, he has something that's right there in the middle between all the three levels of brushes, which is really good. Yo, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell so that way you're going to be staying up to date with all of my information, or if I send anything out. With that being said, it is your boy HB3. I'm out of here.